Hello again, Dave Nelson here with Agent Power Up. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward your vanity URL from GoDaddy to whatever website you have. Now, before we go on, please subscribe, like, and share. I'm going to ask you in every video, so the sooner you do it, the better off you make me feel. All right. So first things first, you must already have a vanity URL in GoDaddy. If you haven't done so, I created a video on how to buy one. Watch that first and then come back to this one. So I'll give you some time. All right. Now, if you've already owned one, and you've logged into your GoDaddy account, so I'm logged in, as you can see, you should be able to see all of your products. Now I'm going to go to a product that I've already owned. So I'm going to go to domains, and then I'm going to go down to Bloomington home value. So let's say you bought the city, and I talked about this one in the other video. So you click on it. It's going to open this up. Next, you want to go to DNS. This is going to worry how you forward to your website. And then up here you see forwarding. So you click forwarding. Now, I have it already forwarded to a different address, but guess what? This one is an old account. So I want to update it. So luckily, I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you go to forwarding, so if this isn't here, you just hit add forwarding, and it'll be the exact same way that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to edit this. Now, I don't want it to go here because this is an old website. What I do want it to go is to my new website. Oops. Sorry, folks. Just turned off my screen. Oh, there we go. I want to forward it to my home evaluation of my website. So I'm going to click on home evaluation. Great. So you probably can't see this, but I'm going to go up here to the top. I'm going to copy the URL up in the search bar. Then I'm going to go back to my GoDaddy and I'm going to paste it. So right there, it's David Nelson Sells Homes /evaluation. Great. You want it set up as permanent and you hit save. And it's going to take a little bit and it's going to, great success. Awesome. So sometimes it may take a few minutes to show up. It may take a few minutes to, actually work. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it into a search bar up here, and let's see what happens. BloomingtonHomeValue.com. Where does it go? And if everything's paired correctly, it should open up the right website. There you go. Boom. Now that page before this where I click through, that's usually happens right away. The longer your site is up, that'll go away just because it's a trusted site. But now when someone types in BloomingtonHomeValue.com, they go here. So guess what? I also own LakevilleHomeValue.com. If they type that in, it comes to here. I own EdinaHomeValue.com. If they type that in, it comes here. So you can have multiple URLs go to one place. So it's a great way to mass market. But myself, I live in Bloomington. I want to market to Bloomington. So I own Bloomington Home Value. So as I send out my postcards, my mailers or whatever, and I say, hey, Bloomington residents, check your home value here. And then they see it's www.bloomingtonhomevalue.com. It kind of rest assures them that, yes, I'm going to get my home value. It's Bloomington and it's a legit site, but also it's local and probably means more to them. So they type that in and it takes them to wherever you want to go to. So I'm going to go back to my GoDaddy. So yeah, that is really how you forward your GoDaddy email to your vanity URL. Now you can only have one address go to one site, FYI, but you can have multiple addresses go to one site. That makes sense. So you can't have Bloomington Home Value go to 10 different sites. You can only go to one, but you can have 10 different URLs go to one site. So that's it. That's how you do it. That's how simple it is to forward your URL. So if you haven't done so, go ahead and buy your URL. And I'd recommend buy as many as you're allowed to and hold on to them, because once you have them, nobody else can have them. All right. So there you go. Have a great day. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.